All right, welcome to slide 10. So now in the last slide, they had everything graphed for us and we actually had to write the inequality. Now they have the inequality right over here and we actually need to graph it. So the great thing about it is, again, our variable is on the left side. So we know by looking at this symbol right here, which way our arrow is going to be pointing. We know that our arrow is going to be pointing that way on that one. And we know our arrow is going to be pointing to the right on the top one. We just need to know where it's going to begin and whether or not our circle is going to be open or closed. So if we look at our inequality sign, it doesn't have a line underneath it. So I know that my symbol is going to, or my circle is going to be open. And it's going to start at -1. So I'm going to go to -1. And I am going to put that there, and then I will match up my arrow like that. And you can actually make the arrow a lot bigger if you want to. You can leave it to how it was. However, all it's saying is that x is greater than -1. We're at -1. Everything beyond -1 to the right of on the number line is greater than -1. And those are all the numbers we're trying to include in our x. Okay, so let's go down here to the second one. Y is less than or equal to 2. So because it has that line underneath the less than sign, we know it's a closed circle, and 2 is the number right here. So we're going to take our arrow, we're going to match it up, and just to show you, I'm going to stretch that out. Whoops. Just so you can see it. All right, so here we have our circle on the 2 right there, and the y is less than or equal to, and so all of these numbers can be replaced for y. All of them are less than 2, but we can include 2 by having that circle filled in. So y less than or equal to 2 looks like this graphed. X is greater than -1 looks like this when it's graphed. Hopefully you understand why. If not, please let me know so that way I can maybe use some other problems to give you examples, but we do have some independent practice where you're going to be doing this as well. So please refer back to this video link if you have any questions on how to graph an inequality.